Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Hello students, here given that toaster and microwave oven are connected parallelly to the same voltage as well as current, which is given 15 ampere and 120 volt. Now we need to find resistance. We know that from Ohm's law V is equal to IR. To find resistance R, we can divide by rearranging the formula V by I. Now substituting the value of voltage given in the question, which is 120 volt divided by current value 15 ampere. From this calculation we obtain resistance value will be 8 ohm. Next we need to find maximum power rating without tripping the 15 ampere circuit breaker. Now we can consider current, voltage and power relation. We know that power is given by I into V. Now by substituting current 15 ampere, voltage 120 volt, we obtain maximum power value will be equal to 1800 watt. Hope you got the answer. Thank you.